Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to knit this absolutely gorgeous, beautiful and simple mesh stitch that has only 4 rows to repeat, and look how beautiful it is. Perfect for sweaters, perfect for cardigans, and of course perfect for summer tanks and tops. For this tutorial I'm using merino wool yarn. That is why to open this stitch you need to drag it, pull it down maybe a little bit if you want to look it better. But if you're going to use cotton yarn, I mean 100% cotton or cotton blend, the stitch will look even better. So for the stitch, for the pattern, in rows you need to cast on number that is multiple of 3 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 selvage stitches. If you're going to knit in rounds, just multiple of 3. Here I cast on 33 stitches. Slip the first stitch. Now slip next stitch, knit twice, then knit the next stitch and do not drop it off the needle, this one. Now pick up slip stitch and pass it over knitted one, and do not drop the stitch, and now knit 2 together and make a yarn over. So out of 3 stitches that we had, we again received 3 stitches. Let's repeat. Slip next stitch, knit twice, knit next stitch, do not drop it off the left needle, pass slipped stitch over. Now knit 2 together and yarn over. So that's what you are going to repeat. Let's do it again. Slip, it's like slip, knit, pass over, but do not drop second stitch of the left hand needle, pass over, and now this stitch that you left and next one, knit 2 together and yarn over. The second way how to knit this stitch, you need to turn next 2 stitches. Now knit 2 together through the back loop and do not drop the second stitch, so the second one. Now turn it back and knit 2 together. So we did absolutely the same and yarn over. So we did left leaning decrease firstly and then right leaning decrease. Now let's do it again. Turn next 2 stitches. Do not forget about yarn over, please. Knit 2 together through the back loop, but do not drop the second stitch of the left hand needle, so you can place it in the right way already. Knit 2 together and yarn over. Personally for me, I like to do slip, knit, pass over, so you do not drop, knit 2 together, yarn over. For me it is faster, but you decide. And it also depends how your stitches are turned, which way of knitting you are using. Forget about yarn over and again slip, knit, do not drop, pass over, knit 2 together, yarn over. And for the last time, slip, knit, pass over, knit 2 together, yarn over. At the end we have 1 extra stitch, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 2, the same as row number 4, we purl all stitches. Slip the first stitch and purl all stitches. Purl yarn over stitch and other stitches. Please go on till the end. Now, row number 3 will be almost the same, but we start with, so slip the first stitch, knit 1, yarn over, and let's repeat what we did before. Slip, knit, do not drop, pass over, knit 2 together, and again yarn over, slip, knit, pass over. So we needed one extra stitch at the beginning. We did knit 1 and then added yarn over at the beginning. After that, repeat the pattern: slip, knit, do not drop, pass over, knit 2 together, yarn over, do not forget, slip, knit, pass over, and knit 2 together. Please go on repeating till the end. At the end, for the last time, you did the yarn over, now slip, knit, pass over, knit 2 together. No yarn over at the end, we did it at the beginning, just purl the last selvage stitch, turn, and as I said, as row number 2, row number 4, purl all stitches. Please finish this row. That's it. Now you start repeating everything from row number 1, like slip the first stitch, then slip, knit, pass over, knit 2 together, yarn over, and so on. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. If you still need a written instruction, you may find it on my blog. Please check link down. Look how beautiful the stitch will look for sleeves, for example. Really, really gorgeous. At the beginning, I did 3 rows of just simple ribbon, knit 1, purl 1. Thanks for watching again, and see you soon.